Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm showing you guys how you can make a brand new profile picture like the one on the screen right now. So first off, you're going to open up Photoshop, create new, and then 80 by 80. Alright, when you have it open, you want to make another layer. Then go to gradient, and then pick the colors you want. This is not going to be my actual channel banner. I'm just making this because for you guys. Because I already have mine, so I want to pick these two colors. Then click and drag and it will make this kind of formation, and you can choose which one you like, and that'll be like the background. Like that. I like it like that. So now next, we're gonna make another layer, and then we're gonna go here in this eclipse thing and then click eclipse, and then make the shape of the circle, then Command T to adjust it, then shift click on it so it looks cleaner, like that. There we go. And then click T, which is the text tool, and then type anything. I'll put NC, which is the initials of my channel, and then you can change the font, so I can change it to this, but I'm gonna keep it to this font, low brush. And yeah, then I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger, like that. And then blending options, and then stroke. Okay, I'm gonna make the stroke white, like that. And then I'm gonna add a drop shadow and then outer glow, like that. I'm gonna make the drop shadow a little bit bigger, like that. And then boom, here you go. Here you have your new channel profile picture you can use. And then save it, export as PNG, and then boom. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for the support on this video and all of these videos, because they all did so well, and this video too, which also did well. And yeah, I hope you liked the channel rebrand. There should be another tutorial for how to make this channel banner right here, along with the profile picture, which we just did this episode. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. I've been uploading daily for so long, like uploading daily. This video, like this one and up, I've been uploading daily for like a month now, and I technically didn't break the streak, even though I didn't upload yesterday, but I technically did. But I just deleted the videos because they were actually like these YouTube shorts, which I deleted because I didn't like them. Yeah, I don't know why I deleted them. I just didn't feel like it went along with my channel. But yeah, like and subscribe because this video took me a while. Yeah, bye.